GMC की तेजे CMचे रिलेटिवाक तेंच्यांनी फेल जावन सुद्दां पास करपाक हेल्प केलो म्हणून दे हेल्प इन चेंजिंग मार्क ऑफ वन पेपर. सो ते तुमकां कशें रिएक्ट?
Goa Medical College these days is very busy treating COVID patients and also conducting examinations, classes, etc. Now this I will explain the second MBBS and first MBBS. Now what has happened from 2019 1st of August, a new course has started by the regulatory body called as NMC, National Medical Commission. I have to give a background for the people to understand. GMC is doing lot of work on COVID. We are overloaded. Doctors are also positive, patients, other patients, plus classes, plus exams. Now coming to this new course, it was started by the NMC, National Medical Commission, on the 1st of August 2019. Before that, the courses were different, and all courses are regulated by NMC, National Medical Commission, and Goa University has an ordinance on this. Now, coming to this new course, I was at that time the Dean of the Goa University Faculty of Medicine when this course started, and I have formulated based on the national guidelines, that is from the National Medical Commission. The guidelines were called competency-based medical education. So an ordinance was formulated and also it was passed by the Academic Council and it was started. Now this course is different from the previous courses, the way of teaching, the way of learning. So the important thing is that there is a competency-based medical education. Now there are 3 subjects in second MBBS, that is pathology, pharmacology and microbiology. And there are 3 subjects in first MBBS, anatomy, biochemistry and physiology. Now started 2019, 2 batches have come out from first year. The 2019 first year is over, and now 2020 also the first year is answering the exams, first MBBS. Now what is the thing? There is a continuous evaluation. There is a logbook and there is a journal. This is the first thing. And marks are assigned for the total duration of the study, for the logbook, for the journal and for the exams. You have to have regular periodic examinations. Now due to the COVID pandemic, this course was started, and due to COVID pandemic, there was lockdown, the classes were online. There was sometimes no time to complete all the examination and the study material. So, to the best of the ability of Goa Medical College, taught these students online as well as held their practicals, held their clinics, everything. Your patients also are required for them to study. So I am giving you this background. Now, these subjects of the first year as well as the second year, because of the COVID related problems, students cannot suffer. So it was decided in the first MBBS students, teachers, that is the Board of Studies, Anatomy, Physiology, Biochemistry, as well as in the second MBBS, the Pathology, Pharmacology and Microbiology, that the students have to be given eligibility to sit for the university examination due to the COVID related problems. So that is the issue. Very difficult sometimes. And I think simply should not
demoralize.
Defame, demoralize. They are working very hard, studying very hard, It's a difficult course also. And in addition to it, COVID is there. In spite of this, what I'm trying to say is that we have got, first we have got MBBS, then we teach even BDS, all of you put together, dental, nursing, allied science, and we are also very happy. Many NMC has given us the permission to start super specialty courses, new ones, which will start soon, like in cardiac surgery, cardiology, cardiac anesthesia. These are super specialty, DM, MCA, urology, nephrology. And so it is a really high level institution for Goa. And people, some of the people are, not some, all. Now the situation is because of COVID. Now I'm just acting dean for these few. I go there, nurses are positive, doctors are positive. We followed. We held meetings and I have made formulated some guidelines to help everybody. So patients we have to look after. It is a premier hospital in the Goa. So with all this, I feel that at least people should study what are the issues, difficulties, and not only that, simply not say anything.